Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on the pound USD, gold and the DXY. Starting off with pound USD here. Last week my anticipation was for price to retest these regions of 1.30 and the continuation to the downside. We'll have that break and looks like it was retesting this region here. So for this week, I'm just going to make it quite simpler. What I'm anticipating is a possibility for price to come back to these regions of 1.2850. In this case, I feel right drawing here. So basically what I'll be anticipating here is basically to see price, either come back to these regions, or we could see if price can break something like this. So we see this is like a mark of a lower heights creating. So for us to resume buys, I might want to see price break back into these regions, feel safe at 1.3090, then we can start buying to the upside. Okay, so this is a previously held resistance that's going to be holding as a support, and in that case I will be looking out for price to actually probably hold off from these regions. The reason is because if we come back to the DXY, on the DXY we'll see price actually haven't approached a very critical 1.104.50 regions. Okay, so in this case I might want to see price pull back a little bit to these regions, maybe make a double top and then start pulling back to the downside, something like that. Okay, something like that. Continuation. Maybe if we get more volatility, then we might start seeing price to this way. The only thing that we might see different here on the DXY is if price decides to break above this region here, then we can now see the strong DXY. A strong DXY means a bearish pound USD, which is basically breaking price below 1.2830. Okay, so that's basically it. And then let's just quick look at gold. Gold is continuously creating higher highs and higher lows. My anticipation would now be that if price breaks below these regions here, let me take this off for a while and use this one here. Okay, so if price breaks below this, we'll sell off a little bit. Otherwise, as far as it's trading above these regions, it's either a continuation to the tops. Okay, so something like this. But my possibility is to see price pull back a little bit to this region, maybe can retest this trend line before we continue to the upside. All right, that's that for gold. Yes, DXY, I'm anticipating a rejection here one more time so we can pull to the downside. And pound USD, continuation to the downside, maybe reject this region before continuing to the upside. But at market open, if price breaks back into these regions, then we might anticipate price to start creating higher highs and higher lows. That's that for this week. I'll see you guys for weekly recap. Make sure you back some pips. Ciao.